In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change eBay personal account to business. Now, this is very important if you want to start selling large quantities on eBay. It helps to get high selling limit without contacting eBay or calling eBay. Now, if you have a personal account, you are limited to, I would say, 3,000 items. And if you are selling like products with different colors, different sizes, that counts as a product. Like, for example, if you have one product with 10 colors, that's going to take the 3,000 selling limit they gave you very quickly. With a business account, it's like 50,000 products, which is very enough to run $30,000 a month business without any problem. Now, what you need to do to change to business account, in the top right, you can see here my eBay. Just move your mouse there, then click on summary. So after you click on summary, you just need to click on account here. Okay, and after that you want to click on personal information in the personal info. After that you will ask you to log in again. Just log in, and then you just need to add here the security code. If they don't ask you, let me show you what to do next. Now after that, it's going to take you to this page, and then you will be able to see personal info here. Now here, next to account type, you will see here individual, okay, because you have a personal account. Now when you have a business account, it will say here business. Now this one is personal account. Now next to it, you will be able to see here edit button here. If you don't see it, that means you haven't sold enough on your personal account. Just keep that in mind. Okay, you need to start selling on personal account so that you will be able to click on edit next to individual, and then you can change it to business account. If you don't see here edit and you haven't sold anything, now when creating an eBay account, you can start with business account right away. Now you can start for create eBay business account. Just search for that and then click on creating an eBay account. Okay, and after that click on create an eBay account. Now here where it says create an account, you want to go right away with business. Okay, then you can create it. Just in case you have a new eBay account, you can now delete it and create a new one, but make sure now you select business. So like if you don't see here edit button, that means you have a personal account and you haven't sold anything on your personal account. Okay, if you see here edit, like I said, click on it, and then you can easily see business. Click on it, and then you want to add your business info, and that's it. That's all you need. Hopefully this tutorial helped you. I hope this one helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. See you in the next tutorial. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you.